Don't you been down thinking about him again? I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. My name is Nicole. I'm a mama to 5 little munchkins. I make all kinds of cleaning videos. If this is something that you enjoy, I would love for you to subscribe and join my little YouTube family. So for today's clean with me, I will be deep cleaning my kitchen and I will start to declutter my cabinets. Unfortunately, I won't have enough time to do it all in this video. Plus, little Xander woke up, so mommy duties were calling my name. But I will be doing a little series, which I'm excited about. This mama has a lot to declutter. I have my drawers and my cabinets just filled with stuff. My anxiety has been through the roof. I don't know if anyone else is dealing with this because of the quarantine, but your girl over here is, and I just want to get rid of everything in my house, to be honest. But yeah, if this is something you're into, I would love for you to keep watching. And yeah, let's jump into the video, guys. Hope you enjoy.
I'm away. I'm away. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, let go, he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts, like that's a rack. Bought some new boots just to wear 'em out. Bought a new Beamer, I run it to the ground. I used to say nothing, I bet they hear me now. Handle my business, no need to hear me out. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than the check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than the check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Yeah, I could never borrow from no man. How you talking ownership and no land? I got my roll on, now I'm rolling. I drive on my cars like they're stolen. You got on and put your homies out for ransom. I got on and put my homies on the program. Girls hit me in my DM tryna link up. I leave them on wreck and get a no jam. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. I'm a one-to-one, I could never.
So since quarantine, I feel like I see a lot of people saying that they're bored. They're bored in the house and they're in the house bored and they ain't got nothing to do. But for me, I feel like I'm the goddamn Energizer Bunny. I am going and going. Please let me know. Am I the only one? I see people joining TikTok and all these other things. What is one thing you started during quarantine that you didn't do before? Let your girl know.
He said he only wanna see his friends. Another week went by and we barely even spoke. Think I'm beginning to read a sequence. Why did you turn your back on me? Maybe there's something I don't see. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, figure this out on my own. It's almost like you're keeping secrets from me. When did your feelings start to drift? Maybe there's something that I've missed. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light on me. No one likes to get hurt. It's just something that we go through. I deserve to know the truth. How come you left me, you left me, you left me, you left me alone in the dark? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just
So here I am going to take a magic eraser and I am going to try to get that yellow stain off my stove. I know someone had told me to try that in my comments in my last video, but unfortunately for me it didn't work. Does anybody know any other way to get that yellow off my stove? If you do, let me know in the comments.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Now my daughter Juliana is going to be helping me. She is going to be tackling the dishes while I start to declutter this corner cabinet. I will be doing the Konmari method and just take everything out, check dates, see if it sparks joy, and if it does, then I will keep it, and if it doesn't, I will be donating.
Your body wrapped around me, good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, good mistakes. You got me looked about it, you and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day.
Alright, my loves, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope this purge gave you all the motivation you need to clean and declutter your home, even if it's one cabinet a day or a room. I hope you all got inspired. Please, if you enjoyed, share this video with your friends. Maybe it can help someone else out there. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because, like I said in the beginning, I will definitely have a few more videos like this. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You